Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 4 most incredible motorhome campers in the world, the kind of machines that redefine travel, turning every road into a red carpet. Number 4, 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome Camper. From the very first glance, the Mitsubishi's exterior demands attention. Its bold front fascia is dominated by a sleek chrome grille flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that pierce through darkness like twin blades of light. The aerodynamic body flows effortlessly from front to rear, with subtle sculpted lines that catch the sun and shimmer as it moves. Finished in a deep pearl metallic coat, it looks every bit the premium masterpiece it was designed to be. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an atmosphere that feels less like a camper and more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. The living area is wrapped in soft-touch leather with precision double stitching, while panoramic windows bathe the cabin in natural light and frame breathtaking views of wherever the road takes you. The lounge is anchored by an L-shaped sofa with power-adjustable seating, a built-in massage function, and a smart entertainment system with a 65-inch 8K display that disappears into the wall when not in use. The kitchen is nothing short of a chef's playground. Marble effect quartz countertops, a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and an integrated convection oven ensure no culinary dream is too ambitious. There's even a temperature-controlled wine cabinet, because the road should never compromise refinement. When it's time to rest, the master suite is a sanctuary. A queen-sized memory foam bed is draped in Egyptian cotton sheets, positioned beneath a panoramic skylight that offers starlit nights no hotel could match. Soft ambient lighting glows from hidden LED strips, while climate control ensures your comfort in any season. The bathroom redefines what a motorhome can offer: a rainfall shower with a glass enclosure, a smart vanity mirror with built-in touch controls, and heated flooring for that extra touch of indulgence. Even the smallest details are meticulously designed, from brushed aluminum fixtures to the aroma-infused ventilation system. Driving the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome Camper is an experience in itself. Powered by a next-generation hybrid turbo diesel engine paired with Mitsubishi's legendary Super all-wheel control system, it delivers smooth, confident performance on highways, winding mountain roads, and even rugged terrain. Adaptive air suspension absorbs every bump, while advanced driver assistance keeps long journeys effortless and safe. Technology is woven seamlessly into the experience. A central AI hub manages everything from lighting and climate to navigation and security. Voice commands bring the camper to life, whether you're opening the retractable awning, adjusting the sunroof, or checking your tire pressure. This is more than just a way to travel, it's a way to live without limits. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome Camper is for those who refuse to choose between freedom and luxury, for those who believe every journey should be as extraordinary as the destination itself. On the open road, it doesn't just carry you, it transforms the world into your personal 5-star escape. Number 3, the 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper. The first impression is nothing short of striking. The front end is pure Ford, a broad, confident grille finished in brushed chrome, framed by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that illuminate the road ahead with precision. The muscular stance hints at capability, while the aerodynamic bodywork ensures smooth efficiency on long drives. The dual-tone metallic paint reflects the sunlight like liquid silver and midnight graphite dancing together, making sure it stands out whether parked at a scenic overlook or rolling through a bustling city. Step inside, and the transformation is breathtaking. The living space welcomes you with the warmth of premium leather upholstery, hand-stitched to perfection, and walnut wood accents that add richness to every surface. Oversized panoramic windows wrap around the lounge, letting in streams of natural light and turning every sunrise and sunset into a cinematic experience. A spacious L-shaped sofa with built-in recliners invites you to sink in, while a concealed 70-inch 8K entertainment screen rises silently at the touch of a button. The kitchen is built for both casual road meals and gourmet feasts. Polished stone countertops, a double-burner induction range, a full-size refrigerator with smart temperature zones, and a combination convection and steam oven make cooking a pleasure. There's even a retractable coffee station with a barista-grade espresso machine for the perfect morning ritual. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm. A king-sized bed wrapped in silky Egyptian cotton sheets sits beneath a skylight that brings the night sky indoors. Hidden storage compartments keep everything neatly organized, while integrated mood lighting shifts from warm and cozy to bright and energizing with a simple voice command. The soundproofing is so refined that you could be parked by a roaring ocean and still sleep in total silence. The bathroom is an indulgence in itself, a spa-inspired retreat with a rainfall shower, heated towel racks, anti-fog smart mirrors, and natural stone finishes. The space is designed to refresh you for the next day's adventure, whether that's exploring remote wilderness or navigating urban streets. On the road, the 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper shines just as bright. Powered by a high-torque hybrid V8, it offers incredible pulling strength and effortless cruising power. Ford's advanced terrain management system adapts instantly to changing conditions, from icy mountain passes to sandy coastal trails, while the adaptive air suspension smooths out even the roughest roads. The cabin's acoustic insulation ensures that no matter the speed, every ride is whisper quiet. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. A central smart hub integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle systems, all controlled through a sleek touchscreen interface or simple voice commands. Want to dim the lights, deploy the awning, or activate the climate control before you return? It's all at your fingertips. The 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper is more than just transportation, it's a promise of freedom, power, and comfort, all wrapped in a package that carries the proud Ford badge. It's for travelers who want the confidence of a true road warrior, combined with the serenity of a high-end retreat. Wherever you go, it doesn't just take you there, it makes sure you arrive in absolute style. Number 2. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome Camper. The exterior captures attention with clean, sculpted lines and a graceful aerodynamic profile that reduces drag while enhancing fuel efficiency. At the front, Volvo's signature Thor's hammer LED headlights cut sharply through the darkness, flanking a sleek chrome-accented grille that carries the iconic Volvo badge with pride. The soft metallic pearl finish shifts subtly under changing light, making the motorhome look alive as it glides along winding coastal roads or through the open countryside. Step inside, and you're embraced by the essence of Scandinavian luxury. The interior is a study in harmony. Pale ashwood surfaces meet soft, textured fabrics in muted tones, creating a calm, inviting atmosphere. The open-plan lounge is framed by floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows that invite the outside world in, offering uninterrupted views of mountains, forests, or sea. Plush seating, contoured for perfect ergonomic support, faces a concealed 65-inch ultra-high-definition display that emerges silently for movie nights or trip planning. The kitchen is a masterclass in practical beauty. Smooth matte finish countertops, precision induction cooking surfaces, a silent closing storage system, and a refrigerator designed to blend seamlessly into the cabinetry give the space a clean, uncluttered look. Even the sink is covered by a sliding wooden panel when not in use, maximizing counter space for food preparation. The master bedroom feels like a private retreat. A queen-sized memory foam bed dressed in organic cotton linen sits beneath a skylight, perfect for stargazing on quiet nights. Hidden ambient lighting softly illuminates the room, and built-in shelving offers discreet storage for travel essentials. Sound insulation ensures the space remains peaceful, even when parked near lively campsites or busy streets. The bathroom is designed with spa-like serenity in mind. The rainfall shower offers multiple water flow settings, while the heated floor tiles keep the chill away during early mornings. Frosted glass doors and brushed aluminum fixtures complete the understated yet luxurious look. On the road, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome Camper delivers a driving experience that's as smooth as it is secure. Powered by a hybrid diesel-electric system, it offers exceptional fuel economy without sacrificing power. Volvo's advanced pilot assist with adaptive cruise control makes long drives effortless, while the air suspension absorbs bumps and keeps the cabin stable. The vehicle's world-class safety features, from lane keeping assist to automatic emergency braking, give you complete confidence no matter where the road takes you. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the motorhome. A central touchscreen hub allows control over lighting, climate, entertainment, and navigation, all of which can also be accessed via voice command. The system even learns your preferences over time, automatically adjusting settings to suit your comfort. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome Camper isn't just a way to travel, it's an invitation to slow down, breathe, and experience the journey as much as the destination. It's for those who value subtlety over flash, comfort over excess, and the kind of quality that never needs to shout to be noticed. With this motorhome, every mile feels like home. Number 1. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Camper. From the moment it comes into view, The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Camper radiates prestige. The bold, shield-shaped grille gleams in chrome and black crystal accents, flanked by Cadillac's signature vertical LED light blades that stretch from the roofline to the road. The sculpted bodywork flows like liquid metal, its deep tri-coat paint shifting from midnight black to a rich garnet red under the sun. Massive alloy wheels with polished chrome inlays add to its imposing stance, giving it the aura of a luxury yacht gliding across asphalt. Step inside, and you enter a world where every detail has been curated for indulgence. The lounge greets you with plush, hand-stitched leather seating in two-tone cream and chocolate, accented with genuine American walnut and brushed gold trims. The panoramic glass roof stretches almost the entire length of the living space, flooding the interior with natural light by day and offering a breathtaking view of the stars by night. A 75-inch curved OLED display retracts into the cabinetry when not in use, paired with a 20-speaker premium sound system that turns the cabin into a private theater. The kitchen is pure culinary luxury. Glossy stone countertops shimmer under warm ambient lighting, while a concealed induction cooktop, dual smart ovens, and a temperature-zoned wine fridge make every meal a gourmet experience. Even the faucet is gold-plated, with a built-in water filtration system for the purest taste. Hidden compartments reveal precision-cut storage for fine china and glassware, because Cadillac knows the details matter. The master suite is an experience in itself. A king-sized bed with a custom memory foam mattress floats above a softly illuminated platform, surrounded by suede-lined walls that absorb sound for a hushed, cocoon-like feel. The headboard features an integrated touch control panel for lighting, entertainment, and climate settings. Directly above, a motorized skylight opens at the push of a button, perfect for moonlit nights and remote landscapes. The bathroom feels like a luxury hotel spa transported into the heart of the camper. The rainfall shower offers aromatherapy steam functions, the vanity is crafted from marble with crystal handles, and the heated flooring makes early mornings warm and inviting. Cadillac's attention to detail extends to the smallest touches, like the soft close drawers lined with velvet and custom embroidered towels. On the road, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Camper drives like no other. A hybrid V12 engine delivers a seamless wave of power, while the magnetic ride control suspension smooths out every imperfection in the pavement. Noise cancellation technology creates a whisper-quiet ride, and the advanced driver assist suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system, makes even long-distance driving stress-free. These four aren't just motorhomes. They're rolling dreams, each with its own personality, from sleek and minimal to grand and extravagant. So, which one would you take for a lifetime on the open road? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with fellow travel and motorhome enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more incredible reviews and dream-worthy machines from around the world.